Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching my YouTube channel Learning Points and hope you are doing well and staying safe. So today I will tell you about another example of how to make a beautiful PowerPoint itself. So let's go, and we have go to task we have go to search bar and search PowerPoint. So you can see here, this is a PowerPoint application. So we are going to PowerPoint screen and I will choose blank presentation. This is a blank presentation and layout also blank. So this is a background of slide. So I choose rectangle. And change the color. So this color is no this so you can see here, guys, and I take a pic from pictures. So I go to pictures and this is a pic for the presentation. You can see here, and I choose from here this arrow, and you can see here color fill. So now choose this color and choose another example of circle and fill the color. This color, so you can see here and I also give the shadow. This is for slide number. So So you can see here and so this is a text box for the add subtitle, and you can here write any type of title. So I write a PowerPoint. So once again, bold for bold, POWR PowerPoint. Make beautiful. So by learning points. So guys, you can see here this is a first slide for make beautiful PowerPoint, and you can also itself make it. And I go to next slide. New slide for a blank, and I will make slide number 2. So first of all, I choose this, and you can see here guys, this is so easy for Mac. And I'll choose fill color. So what I choose this, and you can choose any type of color which you want. And now I insert a picture from my gallery, and this picture is also given in my first slide. So you can see here, this is a second picture for make beautiful PowerPoint. And this is a PowerPoint. And so this is another layout for content and title. So you can see here guys, you can add here any type of So you can see here. You can also small. So this is a next slide for content and title, and you can see here this is a duplicate slide, and this is a next duplicate slide, and you can much more you can create much more PowerPoints for you. So these are the 1 2 3 and 4. These are the templates for you of PowerPoints. So take care and Allah Hafiz.